Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you are doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel to our favorite country, which is Israel. Shalom to our Israeli friends. And I know that Eurovision having their Eurovision Song Contest rehearsal is having the rehearsal now in Switzerland, and I'm so excited to make this video reaction, the rehearsal of our favorite artist from Israel, Yuval Raphael. Oh my God. Who Yuval is, this is such, she has a really a lot of story to tell. Even she was a victim of those like October 7 event in Israel, that I had my moments when I watched those documentary of her sharing her story of survival of those events happen, that it's like a life and death that she experienced, and making it to Eurovision Song Contest, that she will sing and perform to represent Israel this year's Eurovision Song Contest. And I'm so excited. A New Day Will Rise is such an amazing song. It tells a lot of story of survival, of like any events that happens in your life, that you really have to be courageous, that you really have to go in your lives and like rise like a phoenix. Oh my God, same as Yuval Raphael. And this rehearsal, and I'm so excited with this one because it shows that they are ready and prepared to make something in the world, and see their talent and see their story with their music that they will represent in this country. I'm rooting with Yuval Raphael to win this year's Eurovision Song Contest because she is a great artist. She's a good singer. She sings in her heart. Whew. And before we will start with this one, guys, the title of this video that we need to do some reaction for today is Eurovision 2025 second rehearsal of Yuval Raphael, New Day Will Rise. And credit also with the owner of the video to Song Festival Azerbaijan. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video and watch the full video with yourselves, because we have to put some video clips of Yuval Raphael, of how she started, or her story life of who is Yuval Raphael. Whew, you are excited also and rooting with Yuval Raphael. Let's get to it, guys, and let's know. And please to consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below. Enjoy with this.
You're a superhero.
Hello, my name is Yuval Raphael, and here are 3 things you need to know about me. First fact, I can have conversations in 4 different languages. Je parle espagnol, אני יכולה לדבר עברית, I can speak English, et je parle un peu de français. J'ai habité à Genève 3 ans, mais je te dis la vérité, j'ai oublié presque tout. I used to ride horses, and I used to own a horse. His name was Rocky. First competition we ever had together, we won first place. Third fact, I have the 2 most cutest dogs in the world, the noisiest dogs in the world. This is Louie the Beagle, and this is Jamie the Husky. Oh my God, can I bring them with me? Oh wait, they're not noisy at all.
Wow! Knowing that she's like a pet lover, like an animal lover, this is such like, you will love her. The way she speaks in English, it's so clear and like it's pleasing to my ear. Goodness, Yuval, you're so amazing. You're the way she just speaks. She smiles with her heart, and that's beautiful. That's the purest thing. That's a true artist that you can feel how sincere, how great. And that's that talent that you can speak in different languages. That's beyond another talent, aside that you are a singer. And now you're a dog lover. You have your horse, you have your competition won as first place, and that's amazing to know. Goodness gracious, you are so love, Yuval Raphael. You are dear, and I wish and like pray to God that you will win in this year's Eurovision Song Contest, because you are so talented. And let's get to let's get to see now the rehearsal of her in the second rehearsal of Eurovision Song Contest. I cannot wait and so excited with this one. My God, the staging of this, the tone, the beat is like wow, I getting goosebumps. You can truly feel the way she attacked with the song, boom, boom, and her emotion. Seeing this like in a spiral, or I don't know, this is a stage or what, that they just elevated with those chandelier, with those like crystals, with the background of it. This is beyond, this is fantastic, this is amazing. And I really like the way she attacks with that one, because she really extend her like arms and make it big. Her voice is already like huge or big, but you can truly feel the sense of her emotions, the way she just sing it. Oh my God, this is just like a 30-second video of her rehearsal, but still you can truly feel that this is such a ready performance, a grand final performance of Eurovision Song Contest 2025. Please, please, please vote for Yubal Rafael. Oh my God, I'm rooting with her because she's very, very talented. She's so amazing, guys. Whew. Seeing with this is a grand final performance already. Oh, wow. That's so incredible. That's mind-blowing performance. I had goosebumps every time she sings, she opened her mouth. You can truly feel the pure compassion and emotion she just put into the song, that it's so magnificent and it's so phenomenal. Whew, goodness gracious, I love this performance already. You can truly feel she just sing it. I wish for this one, I wish that she has to wear something different during the final performance. Not like I don't know if the like her clothing or her like wardrobe assistants or team should like watch her if she's good with that one, because the way Yuval will sing, but I know she will give something special, she will surprise us, she will give something spectacular performance of this year Eurovision Song Contest, because Yuval is such an amazing artist. She will perform with heart, she will perform with story, she will deliver it as a poetry, as a like as a poem, that it tells us a story of her country. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I cannot wait and I'm so excited. I know you guys, you're excited too. I'm rooting with Yuval Rafael to win this year's Eurovision Song Contest. I hope you enjoyed with this one, because I'm so excited with the final performance. Thank you so much. Shalom to our Israeli friends. And if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Yuval Rafael performances or any artist from Israel, put in the comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. Thank you so much, guys. Shalom and God bless, and see you next. And please do consider like and subscribe also with my channel, John Reese React, and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below. Thank you, God bless, and see you in my next video reaction. Bye bye, guys.